It is a safety requirement that you remain seated with your seatbelt fastened until the seatbelt sign has been turned off. Please be careful when opening the overhead compartments, as items inside may fall out. Kindly take all your belongings with you when leaving the aircraft. Your mobile phones and portable electronic devices with cellular functions may now be switched on. Due to the recent outbreak of Ebola in some countries in West Africa and a few confirmed cases of Middle East respiratory syndrome in the Middle East and H7N9 in China, if you have traveled to any of these areas in the last 30 days and have developed any symptoms of fever, cough, shortness of breath, vomiting, diarrhea or bleeding, please contact the local Port Health Authority upon arrival. And once again, we sincerely apologize for the delay and we thank you for your patience and understanding. It has been a pleasure looking after you and we hope to see you again soon. Thank you for flying Cathay Pacific, a member of the One World Alliance. Wherever in the world you happen to be, have a wonderful time.
各位乘客，歡迎嚟到香港。為安全起見，請留喺座位並保持安全帶扣上，直至扣上安全帶燈號熄滅為止。當打開行李櫃時，請小心以免物件跌下。請離開機艙時帶齊所有嘅隨身物品及行李，避免遺留喺機上。閣下現在可以使用手提電話及有網絡功能嘅個人電子用品。由於最近伊波拉病毒喺西非部分國家爆發，亦有少量中東呼吸綜合症同埋禽流感嘅確診個案喺中東及中國出現。假如閣下喺過去30日曾到過以上國家，並出現發燒、咳嗽、呼吸困難、嘔吐、腹瀉或者出血，請於抵埗後與港口衛生署職員聯絡。我哋再次為延誤致歉，多謝你嘅忍耐同體諒。我哋好高興為閣下服務，希望好快就可以再同咁多位喺寰宇一家嘅成員國泰航空上見面。再見。